Alright, I'm taking another video. There they are again. Come on, Jonathan. I'm still in my poncho and my umbrella, but they are not. They want me to come down to the end of the street because there is a big puddle. Okay, there they are. I'm not related to them. I'm really not related to them. Oh my gosh, my legs are getting wet. Oh, you guys can see my rain boots. See my pretty rain boots? See? They're really cute. I just bought them yesterday. Okay. Oh, there's more kids playing in the rain. Oh my gosh, that is a very big puddle. They're so stupid. I am not going on that sidewalk. You guys can't pay me to go on that sidewalk. Okay. There's our big puddle at the end of our street. It's not really a big puddle, it's a... That kid's in flip-flops.